Hi, this is Lawrence Wilson for the Artificial Intelligence Academy here in Silicon Valley. Good to be back with you. I'd like to share with you the AWS Certified Machine Learning Training Program today. This training program, as the title suggests, is really at the intersection of two technical domains that are growing at explosive growth rates worldwide. Cloud computing, of which Amazon Web Services is the market share leader, and machine learning, which is an integral component of the broader artificial intelligence arena. This particular certification training program will provide you skills in four key areas. First, data engineering. Second, EDA, or exploratory data analysis. Thirdly, modeling. And fourth, operations. Now, this training program, along with the modules, which I'll mention in just a moment, comes with a practice exam, which is comprised of 195 test questions that cover those four different skill areas and map well to the actual certification exam. Now, the exam itself includes simply four questions, the certification exam that is, but we're going to give you more than that so that you will be fully prepped and prepared. The training program consists of 7 modules. Let me briefly share them with you. First of all, AWS Machine Learning-Specialty certification. Second, data engineering for machine learning on AWS. Third, exploratory data analysis, EDA on AWS. Fourth, machine learning modeling on AWS. Fifth, operationalized machine learning, yes, on AWS, as well as creating production machine learning applications using AWS SageMaker tool. And finally, a series of case studies that will help provide you with real-world examples and ways to expand and apply the skills that you've gained, including SageMaker Features, Deep Learning Features, Kinesis, as well as AWS Flavored Python and Cloud9. So as you can see, this program is jam-packed with rich, hands-on technical training material for all of you software developers and engineers. I recommend you click on the link below this video. Our website, as always, has the full course curriculum, all the course details that will help answer any questions that you might have and allow you to enroll today and begin advancing your career in the fast-growing cloud computing and machine learning domains. So this is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.